Well, heartbreak for Rajasthan Royals, heartbreak for Sanju Samson. How else could you describe that game between the Rajasthan Royals and Punjab Kings? Chasing 222, Rajasthan Royals almost got home but lost by 4 runs in a final over thriller. But before I get to the details of that game, here's a quick look at why you should download the FanFight app.
It's match day. Play fantasy cricket now. Get up to 2.5 crores daily and lots more. 20 times more. Win big on FanFight. This game involves an element of financial risk and may be addictive. Please play responsibly and at your own risk.
Sanju Samson really had it all going for him, didn't he, in his first game as an IPL captain? As Rajasthan Royals skipper, Sanju Samson won the toss and elected to bowl first on a belter of a pitch at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. But wow, those knocks from KL Rahul and Deepak Huda ensured Punjab had 221 of their 20 overs. Brilliant stroke play, scintillating stroke play from KL Rahul, who was the orange cap winner in the 2020 IPL, and Deepak Huda, breathtaking from him also, right? Quick, rapid half century. And at one point in time, it did look like KL Rahul could become only the second Indian after Virat Kohli to score more than 200s in the Indian Premier League. But it wasn't to be. KL Rahul fell short by just 9 runs. He scored 91, perished in the final over in an attempt to up the ante even further for his team. And really, he did Punjab. KL Rahul did lead Punjab from the front. It was a very, very, very good innings. And of course, there were question marks over KL Rahul's strike rate in the 2020 IPL. But then you could also understand that he wasn't very confident of that middle order, and he had to shore up a lot of the responsibility himself. But this year, in the very first game for Punjab, their season opener, KL Rahul just batted with panache and with freedom, and just the way we have all come to know of KL Rahul, just the way he can bat, very aggressive and very stylish throughout Deepak Huda. The that knock was just cracking to watch. It was a breathtaking innings as well. Then there were fireworks from the Rajasthan Royals batsmen too, led by Sanju Samson, their captain. There were cameos from Josh Butler. There were cameos from Rian Parag and Shivam Dubey. Of course, Ben Stokes did not really get going at the top of the order, but Sanju Samson almost single-handedly pulled it off. What a fine 100 that was. Sanju Samson, in fact, became the first man to score 100 on debut as IPL captain. That was just a brilliant knock, and he almost took it down to the wire. He did take it down to the wire. Rajasthan Royals needed 13 of the final over, but unfortunately, Sanju Samson got out of the final ball of the match, caught Deepak Huda, bowled Arshdeep Singh, two domestic uncapped Indian cricketers who were brilliant for Punjab on on the night, and it was just absolutely exhilarating to watch. Deepak Huda with that breathtaking half century, and Arshdeep Singh, who bowled a brilliant final over. He was actually really good throughout the game with his spell on a very flat pitch where batsmen made merry. Batsmen from both sides made merry. And that sort of underlined that last ball, really underlined the effort. Sanju Samson, brilliant on the fringes of the Indian team. You know, he'd obviously be keen to make an impression, as would a lot of other cricketers in a year where the T20 World Cup will be hosted in this country. So it was just brilliant all-round performances. You would feel bad for the bowlers. There were a lot of runs scored, but you also have to give credit to the batsmen from both teams for the way they batted. It was just great to watch, and of course, don't forget that knock from young Rian Parag. Just he was just so good to watch. His sixes and his shot selection, and he played with so much ease, as did Deepak Huda alongside KL Rahul. And of course, we all know what Josh Butler is capable of, and he really did get going before falling to a really good delivery too. But there's plenty more. There's plenty more. It's just these are early days, and Rajasthan Royals would want to come back and bounce back after this heartbreak of a defeat. Sanju Samson, but they take heart from the fact that Sanju Samson has really made a strong statement in his very first match as captain. Well, that's that for this segment. This is there'll be plenty more on Sports Today with exclusive interviews, stats, analysis, pre-match shows, post-match shows. There'll be plenty. There'll be plenty of action right through the course of the Indian Premier League. But before I go, let me remind you to please download the FanFight app and please Do subscribe to Sports Today. Thank you so much for your support, for your kind support to this platform. There'll be plenty more. We promise you there'll be a lot more through the course of this IPL season. Thank you so much for joining.